Tim Tam cheesecake. Grease and line the base and sides of a 20cm round spring-form pan with baking paper. Place the Oreo biscuits in a food processor and process until finely crushed. Add the butter and process until well combined. Spoon into the base of the prepared pan and press down using the back of a spoon to smooth the surface. Place in the fridge for 30 minutes or until firm. Arrange the Tim Tams in alternating colours around the side of the pan. You may have to cut one to fit. Return to the fridge. Place the cream cheese in a clean food processor with the cream and sugar. Process until smooth. Add the melted white chocolate and process until smooth. Place 1 tablespoon of boiling water in a small cup and sprinkle over 1 teaspoon of the gelatin. Stir until the gelatin dissolves. Add to the cream cheese mixture and process until combined. Pour into the prepared pan and smooth the surface. Place in the fridge for 1 hour until set. Place half the remaining cream cheese, cream and sugar in a clean food processor and process until smooth. Add the melted chocolate and process until smooth. Dissolve half the remaining boiling water and gelatin and add to the cream cheese mixture. Pour over the white chocolate mixture and smooth the surface. Place in the fridge for 1 hour or until set. Repeat with the remaining cream cheese, cream, sugar, dark chocolate, gelatin and water. Pour over the milk chocolate layer and place in the fridge for 3 hours or until completely set. Remove the cheesecake from the tin and place on a serving platter. Top with whipped cream, decorate with extra Tim Tams, Tim Tam minis, and chocolate fudge topping. It's sure to be the star of any party.